Hey, what's going on guys? Every Slim here, and today I have an interesting product, especially for travelers. Have you ever went traveling and found out that the place you stay in doesn't have a boiler for you to make a cup of coffee in the morning? And even if there's a boiler, you're kind of worried if it's actually clean. But don't worry, I found a solution for you that doesn't take a lot of space in your luggage. So let's check it out. Okay guys, and the simple solution is the DEERMA Electric Folding Kettle. I got this from AliExpress for like 20 euros, and I think it's a good price. We have a simple box here, nothing special. First we have the kettle, which looks very nice and pretty small actually. They included as well a small travel bag to put the kettle, that's nice. And we have the power cable, but the plug is Chinese, since this product was intended for Chinese market. It was nice of the seller to send me the EU plug, but make sure you ask for it when you want to order. And we have the manual here, but it's in Chinese. Now for the specs, it has a 0.6 liters capacity with 600 watts of power for a boiling time of 6 to 7 minutes. The foldable part is silicone. The heating chassis is 304 stainless steel. It has automatic switch off and boil dry protection, a removable power cable, a small button to turn it on and off, and a removable handle.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, that's it for now. If you have any question, comment down below, and if you enjoyed the video, smash the like button and subscribe to this channel. It will help a lot. See you next time.